Right, people, it's early in the morning, so apologies if my voice sounds a bit different, but I wanted to get this video out, and today I am applying a screen protector for this iPhone 17. And you might be thinking, oh no, this guy doing screen protector videos again, isn't he horrible at applying them? Yes, I am, but this actually comes with a guide. You can put around the phone, which should hopefully help. And I have shops through JETech before. I trust the brand. They offer very affordable accessories, but high quality. So yeah, let's review this. Well, let's apply it properly, hopefully, and then review it. But it should be a good screen protector for the price. Now, there is film around it, so let's peel this. I may need a pair of scissors. Let's get it from here. They always come in this yellow packaging. Every JETech product. There we go. Film is off. And we open with this. Tailor-made for your smartphone. For iPhone 17. Okay, there we go. So first things first. We got the guide. So that should clip on like this. I don't want to get the installation off, so yeah, I will definitely be putting that on. Oh, I need to clean the screen first. We have like a credit card wedge thing. I mean, it's not a credit card, I know, but it's supposed to do the same job a credit card does, which is get the bubbles out. Then we got 3 packs. So yes, thankfully, in case I mess up, we have got multiple screen protectors, but hopefully I get this in just one, fingers crossed. So we got this cleaning wipe and microfiber cloth, and also stickers. It's nice. So we've got replacements because we have 2 other packs. We do have a way to... Oh, and this is the warranty. Okay, so 30-day money back guarantee. Also, lifetime warranty. Actually, I've never really redeemed these lifetime warranties, but you know what? It's cool that it exists. You know, it's cool that I have that peace of mind because I am terrible at applying screen protectors. Installation, okay, we're not going to watch the installation video because I am a rebel. And also I make YouTube videos so I can turn this into content and entertainment for you guys. Okay, bubble removal, okay. Oh, so they've stuck this on the packaging itself now. Follow these steps. Gently lift a corner of the screen protector onto your fingertip there. Okay, but I do want to say, guys, in previous videos I have got annoyed by bubbles, but one thing I've realized is that it can sometimes take a few hours for bubbles to disappear, and that may be the case today as well, in which case I will show you guys an updated version later, but hopefully we have a pretty clean installation. When I say updated version later, I'll show you like a screenshot of the phone without bubbles. So yeah, that's all. Okay, let's get rid of everything and let's get to the installation. So we need this. We don't need this for now. Hopefully we don't need it today. Put this to the side. Actually, I'll keep it on the box because I want to protect the back of the phone. So, okay, let's take this off for now. And now it's time to wipe the phone. Actually, should I keep it on or off? I don't know. Okay, I'll keep it on because I will be installing it with this anyway, so... Okay, so I've got the guide on. Let's first get the microfiber cloth and just give it a wipe. This is, so for some context, backstory, my brother was in the market for a new phone, so this iPhone 17 is his actually. And this is a like new device, but spoiler alert, this phone is practically brand new. 0 charge cycles. It was only activated last month. So yeah, it's brand new basically. I don't expect the screen to have any like major scuffs, but wiping it down for the whole process, you know. Although I do want to say, as you can see, there's some orange lint from the microfiber cloth. So it's not the best microfiber cloth, is it? But not to worry, we have a cleaning wipe. So let's open this. Let's get this open. There we go. Let's wipe it. Although I don't want to say side note, I have heard Ceramic Shield 2 is so good that it doesn't scratch anymore. But I can't take the risk, you know. I just can't take the risk. Even my 17 Pro Max, I put a screen protector on that day one because I just can't take the risk. You know, these phones are too expensive to go around screen protectorless. But maybe one day. Maybe. Actually, I have done it before. So the iPhone 12 I had that caseless and screen protectorless, and it scratched and it got dents everywhere. I don't know what happened. I was a rebel that year. But I don't want to do that again. Okay, we got the screen all clean. Now it's time for stickers. Yay! Yeah, hopefully the stickers can get rid of this the orange lint. Let me just see if everything's in frame. Yep, everything is in frame. I'll just move this there. Not doing a good job of that, am I? Oh, God. I'm taking my time with this because I want to get it right. And I say this and then I'll probably still fail. Yeah, I think that's clean. I think that's as clean as it's going to get. Hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so we have, let's put a sticker to the side here. Now it's time to do the actual installation. Okay, let's peel this off. Let's put this on. Let's remove the guide. Okay, I think we have a good installation. If I get rid, oh, why am I doing it with my nails when I have this to get rid of the bubbles? Now, as I said, and this has happened to me before, I'm not just making this up, but sometimes bubbles don't immediately disappear. I think most of you guys would know this from experience. So yeah, these smaller bubbles, they won't disappear immediately, but I will show you a screenshot of them all gone. And as you can now see, the bubbles have disappeared. So yeah, just give it a few hours and the bubbles should disappear. Here's proof of that. So yeah, great installation. Yeah, those bubbles will go. So honestly, pretty happy with that. Very easy installation for someone like me. And you get a pack of 3. So if you mess up, you can obviously buy, well, not buy, you can apply another one. So yeah, highly recommend it. I'll leave links below to buy this. JETech I've bought from before. I do trust the brand. So yeah, that's my quick overview of the screen protector from JETech. I'm just clearing up in the background as I wrap this video up. So make sure to like and subscribe for more Apple content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya, peeps. I haven't said peeps in a while, but see ya, peeps.